Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best work boots for men in 2025. Boots that combine durability, comfort, and style. Whether you're out on a construction site, working the shop floor, or just need rugged, reliable boots that can handle whatever you throw at them, this video is for you. So let's lace up and get into it. And of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking things off at number 5, the Red Wing Heritage Classic Mock Boots. These are for the guys who want that old-school American craftsmanship with modern-day toughness. Full-grain leather, Goodyear welt construction, and that signature mock toe style? Yes, please. Step into American heritage with the Red Wing 8,146 to 6-inch mock lug boots, where rugged performance meets timeless craftsmanship. Built with premium Oro legacy leather, these boots are designed to age beautifully and endure years of wear. Whether you're hitting the job site or the street, the rich leather upper molds to your foot for a personalized, comfortable fit with every step. The Traction Tread Cushion Crepe Wedge outsole delivers exceptional comfort and grip, giving you stability on all-day wear, no matter the surface. And with the added toughness of copper rough and tough leather, this boot isn't just about looks. It's built to take a beating and keep coming back for more. Whether you're on the grind or off the clock, the Red Wing 8146 is a symbol of strength, style, and legacy. Handcrafted for men who never settle for less. Perfect for light-duty work or casual wear. These boots break in beautifully and last for years. Just know, they're more about style meets function than heavy-duty grind. Coming in at number 4. The Cat Invader Max. These are tanks for your feet, built for serious job sites with steel toes, slip-resistant soles, and a waterproof upper that laughs in the face of mud and grime. Built tough for the hardest workers, the Cat Invader Max is your go-to boot for all-day protection, comfort, and performance, no matter the conditions. Designed with a waterproof exterior and composite toe for lightweight, non-metallic protection, these boots are engineered to keep your feet dry, safe, and ready to tackle the toughest tasks. The SRX slip-resistant outsole provides superior traction on slick surfaces, so you can move confidently from job site to job site. Inside, you'll find a 100% post-industrial recycled lining that not only supports sustainability, but also keeps your feet comfortable and breathable. Plus, the durable, lightweight EVA midsole adds shock absorption and comfort without adding bulk. Whether you're working overtime or heading into the unknown, the Cat Invader Max has your back and your feet. Cat has upped their game on comfort too. With Yargio midsole technology and ankle support, your feet won't feel like bricks after a long day. And number 3, we've got the Brunt Marin Comp Toe Work Boot, a serious contender in 2025. Lightweight composite toe, waterproof design, and shock-absorbing insoles make these an ideal daily driver for guys working indoors or out. Trusted by builders, plumbers, and hardworking pros across industries, the Brunt Marin Comp Toe Work Boot is where time-tested design meets modern-day innovation. Whether you're climbing ladders, crawling under sinks, or standing on concrete all day, this boot works as hard as you do. Non-metallic composite safety toe provides maximum protection without the weight, 15% lighter than steel, and won't conduct heat or cold. Oil and slip-resistant Brunt rubber skin sole keeps your footing secure on slick or uneven surfaces. Triple-layer waterproofing, designed to conquer wet and messy work sites with ease. Barnyard-resistant waterproof leather. Protective seam sealing. Breathable waterproof membrane. The adjustable width system lets you tailor your fit. Leave the insert in for a standard D width. Remove it for a relaxed E fit. Dual option lacing hooks and heavy-duty eyelets let you secure your boot exactly how you want it. From sunrise to shift's end, the Marin Composite Toe Boot is engineered to protect, built to last, and crafted for comfort. Brunt is making waves by delivering direct-to-you pricing without skimping on quality. If you want high-end features without the crazy price tag, this is your boot. Number 2 is the Ariat Stump Jumper BOA. And yep, you heard that right, BOA system. Forget tying laces in the cold or wet. With the BOA dial, you're locked in with just a twist. The Ariat Stump Jumper is where rugged protection meets modern innovation. Designed for demanding jobs and unpredictable environments, this 6-inch work boot delivers the durability you need and the comfort you didn't know was possible, all secured with the ultra-convenient BOA fit system. Non-metallic composite safety toe keeps your feet protected without the weight of steel. DRY Shield, waterproof and breathable construction keeps moisture out while letting your feet breathe. Advanced torque stability technology delivers ergonomic support and stability on uneven terrain. Built tough with waterproof leather, composite toe, and aggressive tread for any terrain. These are made for the hard workers and adventurers alike. Whether you're navigating rocky ground or working in unpredictable weather, the Ariat Stump Jumper keeps you protected, dry, and supported from the first step to the last. And at number 1, the Red Wing Traction Tread Lite BOA. This is the future of work boots. Meet the future of work boots, the Red Wing Traction Tread Lite BOA. This modern take on a Red Wing classic blends trusted durability with next-level convenience, delivering unmatched comfort and performance in a lightweight package. Lightweight construction reduces fatigue without sacrificing protection or support. Traction Tread outsole offers superior grip and stability on hard, flat surfaces, perfect for construction, warehouse, or factory settings. Premium Red Wing leather delivers long-lasting durability and molds to your foot over time. If you want the trusted quality of Red Wing, now with the speed and comfort of modern innovation, the Traction Tread Lite BOA is the boot you've been waiting for. Lightweight, minimalist design for all-day comfort, easy to clean and maintain, made for workers who take pride in their gear. You get Red Wing's legendary build quality, paired with the next-gen BOA system for quick on and off, ultralight materials, and all-day ergonomic comfort. It's a modern classic that doesn't just work hard, it works smart. Whether you're in the trades or just need next-level footwear, this one's a game changer. So there you have it, the 5 best work boots for men in 2025. From rugged to revolutionary, these boots are built to last and built to perform. Hit those links in the description to grab your pair before they sell out. And if you got a favorite we missed, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on more gear reviews and buyer's guides. Until next time, stay strong, stay safe, and keep grinding.